provided a recommendation and provide high level alarm also. Imran, so that they don't miss. Okay, guys, I'm here, and after that I'm going to downstream. This MOV is there.
They have agreed on this.
SG.
This Mutabal is
Okay, this MOV can get closed, ne? SG 901A.
If there is level high and low in that way, that's
okay.
No, but I have to generate the course. SG 901A.
So if one place level is going high, other place also affect that.
901A, 1A.
It is linked anything after this for downstream, or is this notice closing hard for some screen?
Sorry?
From the screen notice continue with other?
Yeah.
MBI. Huh?
Yeah.
So then we need to take all the points.
Yeah. He's filling that all.
Yeah. That I'm putting here. So now we are here. Okay. Now this we are in the critical line. This membrane. Which one? This one?
Yeah.
So this we have considered all, no? So what is pending now? See, I mean, I want to generate the no flow scenario. So let us focus no flow, less flow. Up to here we have seen. Here, this mixture I have considered. And what are the cause for no flow? I'm not able to see any no flow scenario here. Yeah, I have come over here. This we have seen. Now I have come here, so I have taken this MV, SG901A. This can get close. So this is what I'm discussing. SG901 can get close. So potential high level in the tank here and the less flow here, right?